How to use credit balance in Temu. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open the Temu app on your device. If you do not have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store to download and install this app. Then make sure to log into your account. Now the Temu credits are shopping credits that can be used to pay for orders on the Temu app or temu.com. The way that you can receive Temu credits is from rewards for participating in the themed activity and promotional events, credits as part of the late delivery policy, or you can also receive it from refund payments. Now, if you want to view your Temu credits, you want to tap on the U option at the bottom of your screen, then tap on the option of credit balance, and here you will be able to see your Temu credit. Now, if you want to use this Temu credit to purchase an item, you first of all have to select the item that you want to purchase. Then tap on the option of Add to Cart. Once you have added the item to the cart, you want to tap on this cart icon. Now here you can find all the items that is in your cart. Tap on the option of Checkout. Now, if you do have Temu credit on your account, your credits will be automatically applied to eligible orders at checkout. You do not even have to do anything. However, if your credits are not automatically applied and your order is eligible, you want to scroll down and right below Apply Coupon Code, you're going to find an option of credit. Tap on that option to use the Temu credit. If you prefer not to use your credit balance for a particular order, you may also change the amount of credit before completing the checkout. Now tap on the Submit Order option and then your order will be successfully placed. And this is how you can use credit balance in Temu. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.